Welcome to this video. If you're thinking about learning English from scratch, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share with you simple and effective steps to start your English learning journey easily. Even if you read a complete beginner, don't worry. With dedication and patience, you'll see improvement quickly. First of all, why should you learn English? It's the global language that opens new doors in both your personal and professional life. Whether you're traveling, learning new skills, or planning to work abroad, English is your bridge to connect with the world. Now, let's start with the basics. First one, learn the alphabet and sound. Before jumping into words and sentences, it's important to master the letters and their sounds. Listen carefully and practice pronunciation. 2. Build a simple vocabulary. Start with common everyday words like hello, goodbye, thank you, and please. The more words you learn, the easier it will be to express yourself. 3. Learn basic phrases. Focus on sentences you'll need in daily conversations, like how are you? And where are you from? These phrases are the foundation you'll build on. 4. Practice every day. The best way to learn a language is daily practice. Set aside time each day for English. Use learning apps, watch English videos, or speak with friends who know the language. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes at first. Don't be afraid. What matters is that you learn from them and keep improving. 6. Interact with others. Don't isolate yourself. Join English learning groups. Connect with native speakers and try speaking with them. You can even practice online with teachers or fellow learners. Here are some extra tips to boost your learning. Listen more than you speak. Watch movies or shows in English with subtitles. Read simple books or articles. Stay positive and don't give up. If you follow these steps and stay committed, you'll see real progress in your English skills. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step brings you closer to your goal. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more tips. Let's get started today. See you in the next video. And remember, have a plan and enjoy the journey.